Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you some text-based functions. So on the previous lessons we've been looking at functions that work with cell that contains numbers. So in this particular video we are going to be looking at some functions that works with text. So these are basically text are just basically characters, while numbers, of course, they are numbers. So to start with, we'll be starting with some of the simple ones. That's the left function, and this function is used to extract the characters starting from the left side of the given cell and given the number of characters that you want to extract starting from the left. So let's say I want to extract the first 5 characters from this cell. All I need to do is click that and then give it the number 5, and it gives me the first 5 characters from the cell. That's the cell D4. So we also have the right function. The right function is quite similar to the left function, and this is also used to extract text starting from the right, giving it the number of characters that you want to extract. So let's say I need 6 characters, not 56. 6 characters from the right, and this gives me the last 6 characters. That's Homsen. Then another one that also falls in a similar category is the mid function. So you might have guessed that the mid function actually extracts the characters in the middle of the text. So if I give it a word, I have to pass in the number of characters that I need as suggested here. The index that I'm starting my character for. So let's say I want to start from R, as I'll give it the number 3, and then the number of characters that I need. So let's say I need 4 characters. So you're only giving it where you want your text to start and number of characters. So once you do that, I'll be expecting it to give me my RVIN. That's the 4 characters after the third one. Close my brackets, and that is just what I have. So that will be all for this video. So this is just like an introduction to text, to working with text in Excel. So in subsequent videos we'll be looking at some other functions that comes handy. I'm Hadi Dolapo. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.